Hello everyone, my name is Emily Harrison and today I am so excited to share my project on integrating technology into a Canvas course that I built for a group of gifted third grade students. And so I want you to imagine embarking on a journey through a time in colonial America where each student becomes an expert on a specific colony. In this unit that I built for the third graders, students will research and promote their assigned colony using various digital tools that are integrated within Canvas. And their job is to convince a live audience at the end of the unit to choose their colony to settle and make their forever home. And so their job is really to learn everything about it so that they can become the resident travel agent expert. And so here is the gifted unit beside me, and we'll go through a few things in it and show you what I've integrated within it with technology. And so this unit is structured around 5 key components, which is the research, digital mapping, persuasive speech writing, artifact creation, presentation skills, digital collaboration, and then the showcase. And so I used the Canvas LTI feature to embed a Padlet directly into a module, creating a seamless experience for third graders. And so they don't ever have to leave the Canvas course for everything that they would do within this unit. And so within the checklist for the unit on how they stay on track, it has their checklist of everything they'll do in order that they also would have a printout for as well to get actual physical signatures. But Padlet was used for collaborative learning and allowing students to post their key facts, images, resources, brainstorm ideas, showcase their artifacts, practice their presentation, and reflect on their learning. And so each student is given a Padlet board for their colony, and although I haven't taught this unit yet, students will communicate their findings and ideas through the Padlet, receiving the peer feedback and engaging in discussions. And so with that, I want to just kind of show you some things. So for research, it brings them to their research document, their graphic organizer that they would fill out for their units. And then for the artifact showcase, these are the different things that they'll build, digital and hands-on, that they would use some of the creative AI pieces within Padlet and do it that way. So they'll create, here's examples of the maps, the timeline showcase, a tin can lantern, and then a billboard pillowcase. So they actually create a pillowcase that's a billboard that represents their colony, and they actually wear it as a walkable, wearable advertising piece. So for the resources, I went ahead and put in all the vetted materials that they can use to learn about their colony, which includes YouTube videos, different websites, articles, blogs, photographs, maps, things like that. But they can also add resources. So if they find something else, they can add it to their Padlet board. Their speech practice, I have linked in their graphic organizer that they could get to. And just the idea of this board is they can really, really make it their own. And so when you think about the 4 C's, they communicate their findings. They collaborate with their peers through it. Creativity is a huge piece of it. The artifact creation and the persuasive speech are just fostering creative thinking and creative problem solving, where they design physical pieces but also digital pieces, and even some of the AI pieces within it. Lots of critical thinking. This unit is focused all around higher order thinking skills from start to finish within it. And then they reflect. By the end of this unit, students will gain a deeper understanding of colonial America, improve their research and communication skills, and experience the power of digital tools that enhance the learning journey for them. And so all throughout this, it's got lots of embedded Canvas features, but then it also has the LTI features. And so I just really wanted to show off kind of the Padlet board and how that was just embedded right into Canvas. And thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation inspires you, or it gives you more reason to integrate technology in your own teaching practices.